finally free new now translate. It's for 19 MBs, 100 million plus downloads. I did not install it because I did not need it. English learning, authentic dictionaries and learn contents. Okay, it's English to Hindi. You can change the language from here just clicking by here. And next, Oxford grade, learn from best dictionaries. Oxford dictionary is one of the bestest ever, and it like this say third person saying that there is in Hindi, but you can change the option was, hey, do you want to have dinner together? Yeah, thank you for inviting me. Okay, so magic translate in any app with magic ball. You just type in any language in which you want and press the magic ball, and your written thing changed into English. Copy to translate. Copy a sentence in any app to translate. If you copy a sentence like this, and it's translated automatically into English. Translate offline sentences translation and listening. Okay, if you download the offline dictionary, offline sentence translation like this, as you can see, English to Urdu. So if you downloaded it, it's just for 32.7 MBs. You can translate offline also. And university word lock screen. Okay, if you open your screen, you see a new word every time on your lock screen. It's great for learning for different students who have, and it's the developer contact. Okay, it's great for those students who is weak in English language. So here is the rating and reviews of this app. 5 star, 5 star, 4 star, 4 star, 5 star, 5 star. Simply it's great. As you are seeing, it's a great app. You can install it and enjoy it.